Do you wish to be heard from a kilometer away by everyone? We're going over modification that you can do to your car to make it rumble, whether you want to emphasize the natural noise it makes or make it seem like a high-end sports car. Before we get into the video, like and subscribe if you would buy this Bugatti for $1. Number 3. Air intake. The cold air intake in your car improves performance in addition to sound. Your automobile will operate better and produce a louder sound thanks to it. You can also hear a distinctive sound from your engine when you install a cold air intake system in your car. The sound of cold air rushing into the engine. A cold air inlet is designed to improve airflow to the engine of your car. The air can enter the intake because of the larger surface area. Therefore, increased airflow often results in increased oxygen levels and noise levels in your car. It is intended to improve the power and torque of the engine, although there are a number of specialized versions which may be located using the product search box in the designated area. Specialized kits, DIA, CDA and OTA are global products. To ensure a smooth clearance process for the car sales, auto manufacturers are required to abide by a number of production rules, such as those governing sound, safety and emission tests. Thus, the majority of automakers reduce vehicle noise to comply with state rules and appeal to individuals. The intake system is involved in this. However, you might think about getting a cold air intake installed in your car from a trustworthy aftermarket automotive expert if you want to enhance the sound and general performance of your automobile. K&N cold air intake systems are among the best systems available. The K&N dry flow synthetic non-oiled high flow air filter used in this cold air intake system enhances filtration while increasing horsepower. The installation of this cold air intake may be finished in an hour or less by the average auto enthusiast using only basic hand tools, and the replacement of your factory airbox is an easy installation. Compared to OEM intake systems, this cold air intake mandrel bent aluminium inlet tube offers a 50% higher airflow. Your vehicle's acceleration sound and capacity for uphill hauling are all improved by the K&N cold air intake kit. All K&N air filters are washable and reusable according to the manufacturer, and you're not required to maintain your filter for up to 100,000 miles. It should be noted that this product has a 10-year or a 1 million mile limited warranty. Number 2. Exhaust tips. The exhaust system in your car is made up of pipes that direct reaction exhaust gases away from the engine and into the air, enabling the engine to continue to run. It's crucial to remember that we're discussing exhaust systems here rather than exhaust tips. An exhaust tip, which is the section of your exhaust system that's visible from the outside of your automobile, is only a decorative addition and has no functional impact on how well your exhaust system functions. But it's a pretty well-liked one. Exhaust tips come in a wide range of shapes and sizes, from square and round to intercooled and folded edge variations. They are all simple to install and available in a variety of finishes. The majority of aftermarket exhaust tips attach to your car's factory exhaust system with screws, but some can just slide right in. Putting in a fresh set of exhaust tips will boost the volume and strength of the sound of your automobile makes. Petrol heads frequently enjoy the deep, throaty roar of an engine, and fitting certain exhaust tips will let you imitate this sound. Even though a new system for an exhaust will also produce the same results, installing new exhaust tips allow you to do it for a far lower cost. Your vehicle's look will also be improved with new exhaust tips. It's unlikely that the original exhaust pipe on your car is particularly attractive because it serves a purpose, namely eliminating contaminated air. However, aftermarket or known exhaust tips are made to help your exhaust system attain the same outcome while still looking excellent. There are many different methods to decorate a car's rear end that onlookers can see and hear, from comb and matte effects to dual forked and turn-down tips. The item created by Daryl and Derek Contreras is ranked first in our list of the top exhaust tips. Since launching their initial offering for American Honda in 1987, DC Sports has nearly completely cornered the customer base for sports car items. In addition to exhaust tips, they provide a range of high-quality sports and customizable product categories. Users particularly enjoy the DC Sports EX1012B tip's elegant style and sturdy construction. To guarantee a rust-free body, the construction is constructed out of stainless steel of the highest quality, grade T304, in accordance with American standards. The whole body of the exhaust tip has been coated with a powder that is scratch-resistant, which is a noteworthy characteristic provided by this well-known brand. The exhaust tip from Evil Energy also has a distinctive shape and is one of the alternatives with the longest length, coming in at a whopping 15 inches. Due to the increased area for resonance produced by the lengthened length, the exhaust output produces a deeper sound. Muffler delete. Resonators and mufflers collaborate to maintain a manageable exhaust volume. Mufflers and resonators can be removed, integrated with other exhaust modifications, or modified to increase exhaust volume. A muffler is a part that muffles noise across an automobile's entire exhaust system. As implied by its name, the combustion system produces noise, which is hushed by this device. Mufflers used to be heavy, restrictive, and unreliable. Contemporary types are better and horsepower friendly. The muffler detection system is required for anyone who wants a car that is strong, loud, and makes a statement. When revved up, a muffler deletion system may make the vehicle sound identical to a race car and, for certain older cars, provide a significant horsepower gain. The engine's noise level is reduced by the muffler. The sound of the engine will be louder if the muffler is removed. Either completely removing the muffler or installing a muffler deletion pipe will delete the muffler. The process is likewise very straightforward. The muffler is removed, a muffler deletion pipes are installed in its place, and an exhaust tip is attached to the end using a welding torch. Mufflers are standard equipment on the majority of contemporary cars, however, they are not a vital part of the exhaust system. You can lawfully remove the muffler most of the time. Since removing the muffler won't raise emissions, muffler-free vehicles don't break emission regulations. However, certain regions can have regulations that forbid having an altered exhaust at all or even set noise limits for vehicles. Before deleting your muffler, make sure to verify your local legislation. By opening the exhaust system's taps, a muffler delete increases exhaust flow and increases engine noise. Nothing is more enjoyable than a noisy car, according to many. Mufflers come in a variety of designs and work in various ways to complete this goal. The sound characteristics of various muffler types vary as well, making them suitable for various builds. Some exhaust systems sound fantastic from the exterior of the car, but inside they still make that unpleasant droning hum. Mufflers are frequently used in conjunction with a resonator since they are unable to focus on a specific frequency. Muffler deletion systems are the ideal modification if you want to showcase your vehicle's unrivaled design and performance, because the louder revving noise makes your car feel sportier and more powerful. You might even notice an increase in horsepower if your car is older. This is as a result of earlier mufflers being more constrained than more recent mufflers. Getting rid of these old mufflers will increase exhaust flow, lower engine back pressure, and give the engine more power at higher RPMs. There are various exhaust enhancements that you may make in addition to removing the muffler or resonator to enhance your car's exhaust voice. Performance can be increased and your exhaust can sound more powerful and forceful by replacing the factory muffler with an aftermarket one. The exhaust note can also change after installing a new axle back or a catback exhaust system. A muffler delete is a less expensive alternative to adding a straight pipe system for exhaust if you wish to remove the muffler from your car. Another advantage of a muffler delete versus the setting up of a straight-through system of the exhaust is that a muffler can subsequently be reintroduced if you reconsider your mind about it. The aftermarket offers a wide range of options to improve the sound of your car. These are only a few efficient techniques. Before making these changes, be sure to keep the local regulations in mind. Which one do you believe would enhance the sound of your automobile the best? Let us know in the comment section below, and if you're looking for a new car, then we've got you covered. Check out these 12 best first cars for car interested.